Hey guys, what's up? I hope everyone is doing fine. I am doing great. So this is CA Mohit Agarwal here, and on your request, on the request of many CA students and those class 12 students who are looking to join CA Foundation with us, they wanted to know, sir, can you tell us about the CA average salary post-pandemic in 2021 and 2022? Sir, what is the expected salary that a chartered accountant can earn in the job sector, job segment? So do watch the full video till last. We are going to discuss the CA salary over here. And if you want to know the entire thing about the CA course, I had already made one video about it. You can refer that video. Okay. The link of that video I am giving in the I button section. Okay. Now let us start this video. And do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, because if you don't press the bell icon, you are going to miss out on some of the important videos. So I urge every one of you who are watching the video, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. It's for the mutual benefit also. Okay, now the average salary of chartered accountant. Look, if I talk about the higher range, it can be as high as 75 lakhs per annum. If I talk about a lower range, 5 lakhs per annum. If I talk about a hopeless chartered accountant who did not do the training, who took dummy, even that chartered accountant, by just using his chartered accountant's name, CA designation, even that kind of chartered accountant is easily able to earn 4 lakh or 5 lakh rupees per annum. Okay. Now, if someone says that a CA is working at 3 lakh rupees per annum, give him a tight slap. Give him two tight slaps, one from your end and one from my end, because it is absolutely false. If you find any chartered accountant who is willing to work at 3 lakh per annum or 4 lakh per annum, then please bring all those chartered accountants to me. I have my organization to run. I am going to recruit them because I cannot find them. So if in case by chance you find them, then please do send it to me. Okay, because anyone who is saying that the CA is working at 3 lakh or 4 lakh is a lunatic, absolute lunatic, and I mean it. Now, coming to the fresher salary of a chartered accountant, if you clear CA in one attempt, sir, is it going to be useful? Yes, it is going to be useful. If you clear your CA in the first attempt, then obviously your salary will be higher. Okay, sir, what if I clear CA in multiple attempts, sir? Then your initial salary will be lower. But trust me, once you have showcased your talent, your skill to the organization, once you your entry into the job sector may be at a lower pay scale if you have cleared the CA in multiple attempts. Lower pay scale does not mean 4 lakh, 5 lakh. It will be obviously around the range of somewhere around 6 lakhs. But after a couple of years, once you have showcased your talent and you are hunting for more better jobs, then obviously within a couple of years, it will not matter that whether you cleared CA in first attempt or multiple attempt. Only difference in the salary will be for the first 2 years. After that, what matters is the skill and how indispensable you have proved yourself to the organization, to the employer. Okay. And if you clear your chartered accountancy course with a rank, obviously that will obviously boost your initial pay package, and it will somewhere be around 30 to 40 lakhs per annum, 30 lakh to 40 lakh per annum. And if you get an international posting, if you get posted in Dubai or say for example America, then obviously the salary will be 75 lakh or 80 lakhs per annum. राइट तो भाई बहुत बढ़िया कोर्स है. क्या ये टफ है? टफ या इजी कुछ नहीं होता. मेहनत लगेगा, बिल्कुल लगेगा. हार्ड वर्क, स्मार्ट वर्क सभी कुछ लगेगा. और अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि विदाउट एनी काइंड ऑफ हार्ड वर्क यू आर गोइंग टू क्लियर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, डोंट जॉइन द कोर्स. यहां पर तो भाई मेहनत तो लगेगा. मेहनत मतलब क्या, ऐसा भी नहीं कि 10-12 घंटा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. नहीं, रूटीन बना करके आराम से डेली का अगर आप 6 आवर्स का स्टडी करते हैं, देन यू कैन इजीली क्लियर योर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी. ओके, सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलेगा, बहुत कुछ मिलेगा. तो ये था सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन विच अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट कैन एक्सपेक्ट, एंड द फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ सीए आर एज गुड एज एनी अदर कोर्स. ओके, चलो. एंड सर मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि ऑलवेज गो फॉर फर्स्ट कोर्स ऑफ योर्स शुड बी दैट विच इज रजिस्टर्ड इन इंडिया. जो भी आप फर्स्ट प्रोफेशनल कोर्स करोगे वो रजिस्टर्ड इन इंडिया होना चाहिए. तो इसके बारे में अच्छे से रिसर्च कर लेना कि कौन सा कोर्स रजिस्टर्ड इन इंडिया है. ठीक है, द फर्स्ट प्रोफेशनल कोर्स ऑफ योर्स हैज टू बी रजिस्टर्ड इन इंडिया. Always mind it. Okay, chalo, take care, bye bye. Do share the video and like it. And before we leave, yes, let me tell you that MEPL offers all the subjects under one roof. Mohit Telecom Private Limited, under my guidance, even I am one of the faculties of MEPL, it offers all the subjects of CA Foundation under one roof. Or bhai, multiple rank holders are there, multiple exemption scorers are there, so do join us. And for the CA Inter also, we have a dedicated team of faculties, and obviously you are more than welcome. Okay, And for CA final, as of now, we are providing law, but very soon we'll be catering other subjects also. For CA foundation, CA inter, we cater entire course, and for CA final, we cater law paper. That's it. That was for your kind information. Thank you. Bye-bye.